Mega Quiet Gaming Cat compilation. Hey guys, subscribe. It's free. You can change your mind at any time. But anyway, thank you so much for 5 subscribers. Alright, bye lol. Hey TikTok, it's me, Quiet Gaming Cat. The only reason I don't show my face or show my voice is cause for personal reasons. Hey guys, sorry I couldn't make the Roblox video. I'm working on it anyway. Thanks for the support. Subscribe, it's free. Bye lol. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe or like. The one that helps me most is to share or do nothing. Bye. Hey guys, please sub or share anyway. Congrats to you guys for 3 subscribers. Alright, bye.